Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we have an unboxing. Comes all the way from Germany. This should be very interesting. Seeing if this is the right way to open it. Probably not. Rightio, let's just going for the best angle of attack. There probably was an easier way to do this, but oh well. So, you've seen this one before. So that's from Simbatech, and I can tell you now, it's another Resolution razor. And look at that, it's a little bit more fancier as well. Okay, let's open her up. So there you have it, people. Have a look at that there. That's what it's all about. 4 edges. Give you a chance there just to freeze pause the footage so you can read it. I won't be using them, but this is a beautiful looking razor. Quite tall, isn't it? This would be interesting. I don't know how it's going to go under your nose. Not a bad weight. Maybe a little top heavy, but not too bad. You hold it up there, it's all right. Quite a long thread. So I'm not sure. So obviously one blade comes across here. Actually, probably do it backwards. You put your blade down, drop the first base plate down, put another blade, drop your base plate down again. Rocks around a little bit. So you'd probably have to make sure you've got everything straight. And then on it goes. So this will be a very, very interesting shave. Okay, tell us what you think in the comments, and I'll be shaving with this soon. Okay, ciao for now.